I don't wanna fall for you, oh no.
Open the door, you're making me hold it longer than I need to.
You said you can carry all this.
But
I'm just gonna show you some of the things that we need to do.
Oh my god. So we're on the way to the reception and we need to decorate.
Hey misses, welcome back to my channel, Miss Event Planner. I know it's been a while. I missed you guys so much. Today I'm going to be kind of showing you a couple of things that I just need to do. I do have a party this Saturday in Bel Air. Yeah, and I can't help but every single time I say Bel Air, saying West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spend most of my days. So I've been like singing that every single time I say Bel Air, and my husband thinks it is just so funny. But today I'm just gonna show you some of the things that we need to do.
Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Say hi, girls. Hi. I've just been so busy. I literally think I have a party or a family event every single weekend. Every single weekend for like the last month and a half, and so that's why I've been like so slow on uploading. But I'm so excited for things that are going on this I'm like, I'm so excited. I can't even talk. I'm so excited. But there's a couple things that we have going on. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you go head over to my Instagram and follow me at miss.eventplanner. That's where I show you guys like a lot more daily things and a lot of behind the scenes that I don't get time to like professionally-ish film. So make sure you're following over there. There's a lot of motivational content on there. There's a lot of just like me being me over there, and there's things that you don't get to see here. Like one thing I announced is that I think I will be doing a small group course. Yay! So if we do it, the first session would be in April. The more people we have in the group, the less expensive it can be, but you won't get as much one-on-one attention. So you guys let me know in the comments what you think, and I will get that list and the registration probably up and running probably within the next 2 weeks or so, because I think it's a go. I think it's something that we need to do. Open up some Amazon packages to see if everything that I ordered came in. I have so many Amazon packages, guys. Like, this is what I tell you guys. If you guys think that I do not really shop on Amazon and that I don't buy the stuff that I link in the description box, honey, look at this. 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 So, I just need to open some packages.
Real quick, guys, you want to make sure when you order stuff off of Amazon, sometimes you'll be ordering it late and it'll come in and thank God it'll save your life, right? But you really need to make sure that you're ordering ahead of time, and that when you get your Amazon box, that even though it says received, shipped, and you got it at your door, that you check it ahead of time. Because I ordered 2 of these and there's only 1 in here, and these are curtains for a backdrop, and that would really suck. Like, see, right now it's Thursday, so I could have these rush ordered to me by tomorrow, but not all products can do 2-day free shipping or even be shipped to the next day. So you really need to check your Amazon boxes as soon as you buy them.
I really want to get a new like backdrop, but this one just looks so good in photos, you guys. So, and it was from Amazon, and it's so durable. Like, ridiculous how durable this is. I've used it a couple times. If you're looking for a rockstar party backdrop on Amazon, this is the one that you want. Stools again. I wanted to use our new chairs that I got that you guys will see in the unboxing. But this is I can't fit that stuff in the car, so it's way too far. We're going all the way to Bel Air. So this is what we got going on. the reason I had just said in the other videos why you want to open up your packages ahead of time, because this was like all sealed and everything looked perfect. I thought I just had to open it up and kind of air it out a little bit. But I opened up and looked at it, and this one has a stain on it, right? And so I need to, like, it's not huge, but still, you know what I mean? I'm kind of a perfectionist, and I wouldn't want to get the tutu. I wouldn't want my daughter to have the tutu with the stain on it.
And you're going to be able to see this information in the email you're going to receive.
Okay, thank you so much.
Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning, which means we are finalizing party prep. We were here at the office very late last night. We sent the kids with their grandma so that we could do a really good night of party prep, because when I have parties in just like areas like this, like we're going to Bel Air, I don't know if I said that enough times in this video, I really want to impress, because they're used to a very high level of service. So I just want to make sure everything is at its best. I do this anyways for every party. I'm just a little bit under more pressure that I place on myself when I do like high-end areas.
She said brown box with sand in it. There it is.
Pretty much everything got done last night. We're just finalizing some things. Some things are coming in the mail in Amazon, and Amazon, for some reason, I don't know why, from wherever my distribution station is, they always deliver my packages at like 7 to 9 p.m. So I don't expect that to get here anytime soon. So I'm just doing every single thing that I can do while I'm waiting for that. So right now, we are supposed to be doing a rockstar party, which usually at the end of the rockstar party I'll have the girls like sing and do like a little performance, but we also give the option of fashion show, because sometimes the little girls can be kind of like shy. So my client told me over the phone that specifically they wanted to do the performance because their daughters had already been in a fashion show. But then I saw the invite that they sent me, and all over it said like get ready for the fashion show. So I'm like, let me print out some fashion show like printable sheets just in case to cover my butt. Yay, package arrived in time. Like I said, I ordered this yesterday and it was delivered to my door. It's about 6 p.m. so they're kind of early today. And this is for the party tomorrow. So this is why I love Amazon Prime, guys. Right there.
Open the door. You're making me hold it longer than I need to.
You said you can carry all this.
I can.
Look at him. What did you say?
One trip or die. Just open the door. I need your help.
One trip or die?
One trip or die. I could use some help.
If I could let him take all of this in one handful, he would.
Will you please open the door for this pause? Coming down?
You said you got it.
Got everything I got.
System I'm doing for the rockstar party tomorrow. Barely. We already got some stuff in here, so we need to rearrange to add all the stuff up that I showed you guys upstairs. And since I'm the best person to arrange the items, I had to come down here and oversee, because I Tetris the car the best.
Lies.
This guy is really good at the game, but he's terrible at packing up the car.
These are lies.
To utilize all this. Excuse me, sir?
Micromanagement.
I don't know what you're talking about. Don't put that there. No, I'm just kidding. That's how it looks when Mama comes down and does
Oh,
it.
stop it.
You see that? Look at how much space is still in there.
That's
This would have
exactly how I was
not.
gonna do it.
There was no way.
Exactly what I had in the store. I just had to make sure you wanted things in certain places.
There was no way it was gonna look like that if I didn't come down here.
It was a team effort.
Boss.
It was definitely.
Alright guys, so we're following the map, going to our client's home. We need a whole map to find where we're at in this community. Gonna start unloading. We definitely needed the tables, so good thing I brought our own tables. Say hi, girls. Hi. Hi. We're setting up right now for a glam rock. Look how cute. It's kind of like a JoJo-esque glam rock. The birthday girl's like pink and blue. So we're setting up. Backdrop is going up with Miss Sophia. Miss Amia is doing the chairs. And we have lots of girly goodness coming soon. Yeah! Our backdrop for today. Okay, so basically what we need to do is this hole, it's like it literally can only go in like exactly, the hole's not big enough for the pole, basically. Yeah, so it's super tight, so we have to like feed it in. Still need to set up the stereo system, and put some, oh, we need 2 boas around there.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh, oh. No, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's